Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from FAIRPHONE for 5G to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now tap on the same options on both smartphones to set up Send Anywhere. I will start with FAIRPHONE. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. And after selecting Close in white pop-up at the top, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of FAIRPHONE. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Following that, you can finally use all of those categories available at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, tap on Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, all of my selected files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!